Hi, I'm Mansi. I'm doing this education series with Alan Truman on the science of hairstyling. In a series of video, I'll be taking you all through different techniques of using hairstyling tools and putting those tools to the best use. In today's video, I'll be telling you the benefits of tourmaline and ceramic in the wand and its benefits to create curls. First, hair does not stick and it generates elegant curls. Tourmaline is a material that produces the double the negative ions that take perfect care of your hair cuticles. It seals the natural moisture of the hair that helps reduce hair damage. It makes thick hair, frizz-free hair and extra soft and bouncy. It creates long-lasting curls with perfect effect. It does not make the curls look dry and artificial and curls faster. That saves time. Here you get the soft, shiny, smooth, bouncy hair with the Tourmaline and Ceramic wand by Alan Truman. Stay tuned for more such video and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!